Hello everyone and welcome to Intro to Technology. This semester for your class platform, you're going to be using Google Classroom. I know a lot of you might be unfamiliar with that program, so I just want to run through some of the basic information and show you where everything can be located on this site to make sure that you're staying up with the announcements and class material. So when you go to Google, this is what the main page is going to look like. If you go up to this top right-hand corner to the Google Apps option, yours might be located further up, but you can scroll down to the Classroom option and select that, and that is going to pull up Google Classroom. If you are not currently in any other classes, this is what that main page of Google Classroom is going to look like. And we're going to go to the Join Class option because you will be provided with the class code. Our class code is WREPPJJE. Once that's typed in, you're going to go down here to the bottom and click Join. Okay, and so now you can see that you are in the class itself, and this is what it'll look like from your side as well. So if you look here, I've already made an announcement just to kind of introduce myself here with some of my contact information if you have any questions or concerns. And I have put in here that it's important to check daily for assignment information, supplemental notes, and important announcements. This is the way that I will contact you firsthand as a whole class so you are aware of what's going on. Any announcements that I make will be pinned to this top. It'll fall before any of the assignments that I post. And then this next tab that I want to show you is the classwork tab. This tab is going to have all of the assignments as well as the material that I post can be found here as well. I do sort mine by topic. So you'll see here that it's labeled as week 1, and it kind of gives an idea as what that week is about. The next weeks will also follow the same pattern. It'll say week 2, and then go into detail about what we're doing. The assignments will be listed on here as well as material. When you click into this option, you'll be able to see that there are instructions that are posted. And then you can just open this and it should pop up a new tab for you to start answering the questions on this icebreaker questionnaire. This just helps me to get to know you a little bit better. If you have any questions or concerns, again, please feel free to reach out to me at the contact information listed here. Thank you. Have a good day.